What's going on, YouTube fam? ZX Predator here, coming at you with another video. And this, doing a quick intro where, I have some explanations. Like, now, delving into, low-level SmackDowns, you'll see that this right here, my, custom windscreen is not good for SmackDowns. You can't, like, I would tuck but not be able to see anything. And on that, too, at night, I don't like to mess around too much because for me, it's hard to see. As I get older, things aren't, as sharp as they used to be, especially at night. So, I'm not one to take any unnecessary risks, but this episode, we'll see where I try to mitigate some obscurities with vision, regardless of the helmets I wear. But you'll see, because my clear screen, you're gonna see it. A little YouTube short, but just to give some context, if we're running at night or whatnot, hey, you can have it. Like, I'm not that type. I'd rather live to ride another day. But enjoy this episode, quick, fast, and into the point. We'll see you in a bit.
The revolution will be live.
Alright, folks, something real quick. So, just changing things up for a little bit. So, I have taken my Deuce Moto windscreen off, and I'm going to try this a little more streamlined, which would be better for the SmackDowns and whatnot. I told folks I have a regular windscreen. Wanted to make sure that it still had the Predator accent on it, so that's where I had my Easy Pass. But just a little something. I'm gonna do some practices here and there. Like, I'm really gonna gun it, to let certain individuals know. Like, if I come with that configuration in the daytime, I'm ready to roll, because I can't really see at night too well. Especially, I'm just getting old. It is what it is. But Ace wants to be up in the video. But yeah, put that on. Just a little something for Instagram.